The post you're watching on the screen is of Virat Kohli's Instagram account. Virat Kohli doesn't need any introduction, but in case you don't know, he's the captain of the Indian cricket team. The post you see is not an ordinary post. It's a post where he's promoting the Puma brand shoes. It is what we call Instagram influencer marketing. Many brands use Instagram influencers to promote their products. It is one of the most used and effective ways of promoting a product. If you have a brand, you can also promote your product with the help of influencer marketing. However, to start with influencer marketing, you need to have an influencer marketing plan. Hey guys, I'm Sumit from PaperVideo. In this video, I'll explain how you can create an Instagram influencer marketing strategy step by step from setting up your campaign goals to track and optimize the campaign. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Before we create a strategy, let's first know why you should do influencer marketing on Instagram. A question may arise in your mind, why should I use influencers on Instagram when I can create my brand's account on Instagram and promote my product organically or through Instagram ads? Well, you can just create a brand's account and promote. However, it may not impact users the way it will impact with the help of influencers. When your brand promotes something, users know that you are a brand and you're obviously going to promote your product and show how good they are. It makes users connect less with the brand's profile. Even if your brand's Instagram account has a lot of followers, it may still miss the connection with users. The example we explained to you above of Puma India has 850,000 followers on Instagram. Still, they prefer to use influencers for Instagram marketing. This is because the influencer connects way more with the viewers than a brand will ever do. People engage with them, listen to the advice, and trust it more than they trust a brand. When Virat Kohli promotes Puma shoes, the one who is a Virat Kohli fan will trust Puma more than other brands, which may result in buying one. Hence, you should do influencer marketing on Instagram. Now, after understanding its importance, let's create Instagram influencer marketing campaign. Every marketing campaign is not for the same purpose. Each marketing campaign has its own goal. Hence, the first thing you should do is choose a goal. A marketing goal is nothing but an expectation from a marketing campaign. To choose a goal, you have to ask yourself, why are you starting a campaign? What's the purpose? Usually, brands have a few goals like brand awareness, getting more reach, increase brand authority, get more followers to your brand's account, get more website visit, and obviously generate sales. So before starting a campaign, choose your goal precisely because you will take any further decisions keeping your goal in your mind. You can also create different campaigns with different goals. After you know what you can expect from a campaign, the next step is to find the correct influencers. It's essential because not every influencer can help you with your goals. Thus, not every influencer is worth approaching. While choosing influencers on Instagram, you can go for influencers who command a specific niche with very high engagement. You can also go for influencers who are not specific to any niche but still have a huge following and can also impact the user. You have to decide which influencers you are going to approach. You can choose one or both types of influencers, which will depend on your product. If your product is a general product that anyone will be interested in, like a snack, then it's better to approach general influencers. If your product is one that a specific audience is only going to buy, like protein powder, then you should focus on a niche influencer. Influencers come in 4 types: nano, micro, macro, and MGA influencers. Nano influencers are the ones with 1 to 10,000 followers. Micro influencers are the ones with 10,000 to 1 lakh followers. Macro influencers are the ones with 1 lakh followers to 1 million followers. And mega influencers are the ones with 1 million plus followers. The cost of every influencer depends on the followers counts. Obviously, the one with more followers will charge more. Hence, which type of influencer you'll choose depends on the budget you'll have. But before you choose anyone, you should check out for a few things. You should check the demographic of the influencer's account to check how they match with your target audience. For this, you can use SmartFluence's Influencer Audience Demographics Analyzer. Here you can find all the demographics of users like their location, age, gender, etc. If the demographic match your target audience, then you can move further the process. The next thing you should check is the engagement rate. It'll show how well the followers of influencers engage with their post. An average engagement on Instagram is 1.87%. To check the engagement of influencers, you can use InBeat's Instagram engagement rate calculator. It will help you to check the engagement rate of the account, average likes per post, and average comments per 1000 likes. You should also check the quality of engagement. For that, you can check out their comments. If you find out that the account is creating a good conversation, then you are good to go with that influencer. After you understand how to find the correct influencer, now it's time to approach the influencer. Before you go and approach an influencer, it's always better to know more about them. Not just as an influencer, but as a person. It's important because you are going to collaborate with it, and for a better partnership, the relationship between the brand and an influencer must be good. So research about them before you pitch. After that, you can pitch them where you should start with appreciation for what they are doing. It will make them more receptive to your pitch. You should also highlight whatever you are offering in return without hiding anything. Inform them of all required things, but don't make your pitch too long. You should keep in mind that the influencer may not fully agree with your offers. They may demand something else. Thus, you should be open to discussion and negotiation. After you pitch, there are chances that the influencer will not reply you back. It means that either influencer is not interested in your offer, or they may be busy and unable to read your pitch. As you will not be able to find out the actual reason, you should always follow up on your first message. However, don't overdo it. When the influencer gets convinced, now it's time to design the campaign. It is where you are actually going to decide how you will promote your product with the help of influencers. Many times, brands try to dictate everything to the influencers. Don't make the mistake. Keep in mind an influencer understands its audience much more than that you do. Therefore, whenever you design a campaign, keep the influencer in the loop. Explain to them what you want to convey to the audience and then let them decide how they will execute it in their own unique way, which their followers love. Giving creative freedom to them may make your product promotion look like a product recommendation that looks more reliable to the audience. After this, the last thing you should do here is track and improve your campaign. Because it's not enough to just get started with a campaign, you should track the campaign of every influencer you hired. Every campaign needs to be tracked to know if they are up to your expectation. With the help of tracking your campaign performance, you can improve it in the future. You can also analyze if it's worth continuing with an influencer. To track your campaign, you need influencer marketing tools like Up Influencer, Neo Reach, Hyper, etc. And this is how you can create your influencer marketing campaign. If you liked our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. If you want to use affiliate marketing for your business, check out our article, How to Become a Seller on Instagram for free. The link will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching the video.